Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Simplified with Dheeraj. So SQL developers, how many hours have wasted writing queries, optimizing them, or trying to understand complex code written years ago? Now imagine if an AI tool could write queries, optimize them, explain them, generate test data, even prepare you for interviews, all in seconds, right? So that's what I'm going to show you today in this deep dive into how SQL developers can use ChatGPT. Because as per my experience, I know the daily challenges SQL developers are facing. And today I'll share 5 powerful ways ChatGPT can help you work smarter. So let's see. So first we'll see how effectively we can utilize the ChatGPT to writing the queries. Then we'll see one of the major part of SQL developer life, which is optimizing the queries, how ChatGPT can be useful. Then we'll see how explaining queries in simple English with the help of ChatGPT. Then we'll see how we can generate the test data for our testing purpose. Then we'll talk about the SQL interview question and answers, how ChatGPT is very helpful for preparing for interviews. Let me move for the practicals. Give me a moment. All right. So first we'll see how we can write the queries. So let's suppose I need to write a query for two tables where we are asking ChatGPT like write an SQL query using inner join, right, to get customer names and their total order amount from table. Tables are customers and orders, and columns are customer ID name from customers, and order ID customer ID from an amount from orders. So let's see. So here's a clean query in a join to get each customer name along with their total order amount. So this is how ChatGPT generated the query within fraction of seconds by using your prompt, by using your instructions, right? And also given the explanation as well. So this is how you can, write the queries or generate the queries by using the ChatGPT, right? So instead of manually thinking about joins, ChatGPT help us get the structure right instantly. Eventually, later on, you can fine tune the query with column names or filter or by using the indexes. I'll show you one more example for that use case. Let me show you that one. So prompt is write an SQL query to find the top three products by total sales amount from a sales table with column product ID, sale date, and amount for the last month. Right? You have already seen the prompt. So let's see. Now you can see here's the query to get the top three products by total sales amount for the last month. This is the complete query. All the explanation are there. Example as well. Like if today is this date, last month would be this one to this one, the range. So this query is accurate and it saves your time from scratch writing. You can always refine based on your database. So this is how simply you can generate or write the queries. Now we'll see the use case two, which is optimizing queries, the major one, the major part of SQL developer life. I know because I have also worked in my experience, previous experience as a SQL and data analyst, right? So another powerful way SQL developers can use ChatGPT is for query optimization. So first we will give a prompt to the ChatGPT and we can ask that optimize this query for better performance, and we can give a sample query as well. Give me a moment. All right. So this is our query. Select star from orders where year order date equals to 2023 and status equal to completed. Right. So good question. Your current query is this one, and it is also showing the problem. Year applies a function on the column. This makes the query non-surgable. Therefore, the database cannot use indexes efficiently on order date, right? And this is ChatGPT has generated the optimized query and also given the reason why this is better: index friendly, no function on column, efficient filtering, extra performance tips also from ChatGPT. Ensure you have a composite index if this query is frequent. So this is how you can easily get the steps to optimize the query from ChatGPT. All right. So let me give one more prompt for optimization for better understanding and for those SQL developers who has limited knowledge for optimization, like suggest optimization techniques for a query on large orders table with millions of rows. Now what it will do, it will give you the suggestions and it will help you definitely to optimize any kind of query. Like great question, when working with the large orders table, query optimization is crucial for speed and efficiency. You can see techniques. index strategies, avoid select, optimize where clause, partitioning, materialize view, summary tables. So you can see all kind of suggestions ChatGPT is giving you to optimize your query or database, right? You can have a look on all of these things by using this prompt. Definitely, it would help you. Now we'll talk about the use case three, explaining complex queries. So sometimes old, let's suppose we need to work on any kind of old projects, right? And that project is not documented, but you just need to work on it and you need to optimize the queries. So how you can utilize the chat GPT here? Let me show you. So let's suppose if you have a query. So first you will do explain this query step by step in English, simple English, because you haven't worked earlier in this query, but you need to understand it first. So what it will do, it will convert this query in simple English. You can see step by step explanation. Each and every step is there, like from customer joins, where statement, group by, select, having some. What the query does in plain English, which is find all customers who have completed orders worth more than 5,000 in total and show their name along with the total amount. As simple as that. This is how you can easily understand the complex queries as well. Eventually, it has given the examples as well. All right, so let's move for the next use case, generating test data. So sometimes we need to do the testing for our code, right? For that, we need to generate the sample data, right? So manually we prepare the sample data, which will take at least 1 hour, 2 hour, right? But by using the chat GPT, we can do that task within fraction of seconds. So let me give the prompt here. Give me a moment. Sorry. All right. Write SQL statements to generate 10 sample employees records with column ID, name, department, and salary. Right? ID, name, department, and salary. What it will do, it will generate the insert statements for you. You just need to copy these insert statements and paste to the SQL editor or SQL tool and just run that. It will definitely helping you to save your time to writing the insert statements. Now, last but not least, how we can utilize ChatGPT to prepare for SQL interview questions and answers. Basically, not for specific for SQL, any kind of profession you would like to prepare the for the interview, you can utilize the ChatGPT. So I'm giving you simple prompt to the ChatGPT, which is give me 5 common SQL interview questions with short answer for 2 to 3 year experience. So what it will do, it will give you the samples like 5 questions, 5 interview questions based on the 2 to 3 years of experience with answers. You can see. So this is how you can generate the SQL question and answers. Eventually, you can ask for the 6 to 8 years experience as well. Now it will change the content based on the difficulty level because you are asking for the 6 to 8 years of experience. This is how you can see each and every question and answers. So this is very powerful for professionals preparing for interviews. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate practical SQL queries or mock interview questions, right, and sessions. So we saw how SQL developers can use ChatGPT effectively. Remember, ChatGPT is not replacing your SQL knowledge. It's your assistant to save time and make you more productive. In my next deep dive video, I'll show you how teachers and educators can use ChatGPT to simply we can say prepare the lessons planning and teaching planning for their students in school or any kind of tuitions. So if you found this video helpful, please make it make share it and subscribe my channel, right? Thank you so much for watching.